Hi, welcome here. In today's video, we'll be talking about the JAMB Supplementary Examination. So, the JAMB has recently announced supplementary examination as an opportunity for those candidates who are unable to sit or who are unable to see the results for the main UTME examination for various reasons. So, for those that their results were withheld, or for those that their results were under investigations, so JAMB has recently announced a supplementary exam for this set of students, and also for those who had thumbprinting issues during the main examination. So I will be talking about how you can get the new venue for your supplementary examination in today's video. So if this is your first time of watching our video in this channel, or you are to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I publish new videos like this. So in Nigeria Digits here, we publish videos around admission, post-UTME, and JAMB and every other information like that. So JAMB recently released some of those results that were previously held due to investigation and every other issues like that. So there are 3,000 plus results was recently released, but those whose results were still under investigation, or those that has fingerprint issues and you are still unable to check your results. So JAMB has announced that there will be supplementary examination on Saturday, June 22, 2024. So the report for the supplementary examination notification slip has started from June 4 on Tuesday, 2024, so that you'll be able to see your new examination town, date, and the venue. So this notice doesn't concern candidates who have seen their results before. So if you have seen your result before, you are not allowed to take this supplementary examination. In fact, you'll not be able to see any date for your own. Then, but those that their results were withheld before, or those that were under investigation, you are advised that you should recheck your results by sending UTME results to 55019 or 60019 to ascertain your status. So you will know whether your result has been cleared, or you will have to take the UTME examination. You'll have to take the supplementary UTME examination. So, and also those that they had fingerprint issues during the main UTME examination that was held before. So if you're unable to do the exam due to thumbprinting issue then you can also proceed to check for the supplementary examination. But for those that missed the exam, you're unable to attend to do the main exam. Probably you were late to the center, or you did not even know you had the exam during that period. I'm sorry to say you will no longer be able to sit for this UTME supplementary examination. We'll have to wait till next year to register for another JAMB. Okay, that's for that. Then also the set of people that should probably check for the supplementary examination are those set of people that you probably lost your SIM and you've not been able to check the exam results, because as at this time of recording this video, JAMB is yet to still open the portal to check the examination results via the main portal. Okay, so the only available way to check the result now is via SMS. But if you previously lost your SIM and you are unable to retrieve it, okay, you still had issue with retrieving your SIM, so you might also want to check the schedule slip. I'm not giving you the assurance that I'm not saying you have been rescheduled to take the exam again. No, but you might probably be part of those results. You might probably be part of those whose results were probably withheld before or under investigation. So you might also want to proceed to check the supplementary examination slip. So for you to check the supplementary examination slip, just go to the JAMB to the official JAMB website, which is jamb.gov.ng/mop-up. I'll put the link in the description of this video. So once you get to this site, input your JAMB registration number or your phone number, then click on the print button below the page. So once you see your details, that means you are to take a supplementary UTME examination. So the date and the venue and the time of the examination will be shown to you on your screen. Okay. Then if you also, if you previously were unable to do the exam due to some printing issue, and you still did not see your details on the supplementary, you will have to visit JAMB office to quickly lodge the complaint so that you'll be able to resolve it and be part of those that will, partake in the supplementary examination. Like I said earlier on, if you lost your SIM card, okay, if you're unable to retrieve it, you might want to check it also. Probably your own is also on investigation before, but this is not to give you assurance that you are also going to take the exam again. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and don't make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are yet to do so. If you have any question regarding getting admission or any other information like that, do make sure you reach out to me on WhatsApp number via 081 24 631. I'll also drop my number in the description and the comment section of this video. Thank you.